How would I fix every movie slash TV show that was fumbled by the MCU? In today's day and age, there have been many fumbles by the MCU. In the initial year, there was only one fumble in the entire 22 movies which were released till Endgame. But now, in the multiverse saga, there have been a lot of fumbles. So today, I'm going to fix every one of those projects. First of all, our first ever fumble, Thor: The Dark World. Hey, there's a simple way of fixing Thor: The Dark World. Just choose some more interesting villains and give an interesting arc to the villains, because the villains were so uninteresting that it made the concept of the movies just so boring. Okay, now the Marvels. First of all, recast Brie Larson.
Is that like a personal attack or something?
And the second of all, this movie also had the same problem as Thor: The Dark World, because it needed a newer villain, a fresh villain, a villain which would have just have a better backstory, a better redemption arc. So I think that this would have been fixed by having a different villain. Next, the Captain Marvel. Okay, they could have done anything, literally anything, to make Captain Marvel more relatable. To do something to that we could empathize with, make her broke, make her have losses, or do something, nerf her, reduce her power, because this character was just so unrelatable. She was always the most powerful person in the room. Next, Eternals. It just should have been a TV show to begin with, because then we would have got a lot of time to build up all these characters. Secret Invasion should have been an Avengers movie. The concept was too good to waste on a Disney Plus show. Thor: Love and Thunder. Focus more on the villain, because the villain was fucking amazing. And also, please, for God's sake, don't include all the dumb humor. Just don't do any humor in Thor movies. Make serious Thor movies. Okay. Next, Echo. Okay, this just should have focused more on Echo. She was not getting TV time in her own TV show. All the side characters were so boring, and they also should have included some more gritty, violent scenes, and also should have increased the runtime of Daredevil in the TV show. Ironheart. Okay, Ironheart should have had a more emphatic debut in Wakanda Forever, so that this could make a lot of fun. And her TV show wasn't even that bad, so I'm not gonna focus on that more. She-Hulk. I've just got 4 words. Cancel the damn TV show!